我叫 Michael Jolly， 今年33岁，2018年来到中国南京工作。I am currently the foreign principal of the British International IAL program at the International Department of Jinling High School Hexi campus, where I also teach chemistry. I love the city of Nanjing with its mix of tall modern buildings and ancient city walls that exude traditions. It's a nice place to live. In fact, even before I arrived, I had heard from my Chinese classmates that Nanjing is a wonderful city. I opted to come since the opportunities offered here matched my major. To be honest, I was a little worried before moving to China because I could not speak Chinese fluently. I was concerned that connecting with the locals would be challenging. Once I arrived there, I found that China is a very technologically advanced country and I could rely on my cell phone to handle most of my daily communication needs. Though I haven't lived or worked in China for very long, I have already seen a number of changes. Development projects such as subways, highways and aerospace initiatives are on the rise. I am particularly impressed by the speed of China's high-speed rail building. With over 40,000 kilometers of operational track, China has accomplished an unimaginable feat in comparison to the UK. It is a testament to the Chinese proverb, "Unity is strength." By pooling resources, the country can undertake large initiatives and achieve rapid progress. As a chemistry teacher, I am also keeping an eye on China's chemical manufacturing and other industries. With a sizable workforce in the industrial sector, China has emerged as a global manufacturing powerhouse. The Made in China label is well known around the world, and China's exports are a major source of international goods. The Chinese economy has expanded incredibly. It's remarkable to consider how China is leading 1.4 billion people in economic growth and sharing the fruits of that growth. I believe that China sets a good example for other countries, especially developing countries. It has managed to lift its population out of poverty at an incredible pace, and others can learn from its experience. These few years in China have proved to me that I made the right decision in moving here. I love my current job and will remain in Nanjing to pursue my passion for education.